Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Plants vs. Zombies theme song on piano. We will begin by identifying the main melody, which is typically played in the key of C major. For your right hand, position your thumb on middle C, allowing your other fingers to naturally rest on adjacent white keys. The song's rhythm primarily consists of quarter notes and eighth notes, making it accessible for new players. For a simplified approach, concentrate solely on your right hand to play the iconic melody. You will primarily use 5 fingers, playing single notes such as C, D, E, F, and G. This method helps you master the tune without the added complexity of chords. Practice each phrase slowly, ensuring a clear and even tone for every note before increasing your speed. To elevate your performance, introduce left-hand chords to provide rich harmony. Common chords include C major and G major, played with your left hand. You can also add rhythmic complexity with quick eighth note runs in the melody. It is highly recommended to practice each hand independently until proficient, then slowly combine them for a cohesive and dynamic sound. When deciding which arrangement is better for you, consider your current piano proficiency. If you are new to piano, beginning with the simplified right-hand melody is highly recommended to build confidence. More experienced players might prefer the advanced version with chords and rhythmic variations. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 minutes, is key to mastering this fun and catchy tune.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.